This video tutorial is about how to select just skin tones, so when color grading we can affect just that area. We're going to create a new node and make sure that the qualifier is ticked. We're going to pick up this eyedropper tool and we're going to take a good selection of the skin tone here by clicking and dragging across the skin. Okay, and we can see that's pretty much picked out all of the skin tones there, which is great. We can clean that up a bit using these clean white and clean black controls. Okay, that's pretty good. That's going to give us a good result. Okay, now when selected on this node, the only thing that's going to be affected is that area, so we can play around with the saturation, the hue, the tint, etc, etc. I'm just going to use the saturation here and get a really nice overall skin tone. That's pretty good. And in our next video we're going to show you how to change the background color, which will be linked in below.